Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use TeraBox, which is an AI tool that can help you to generate fantastic presentations. Take a look at this. I have created this presentation with this particular tool. Let me quickly download it on PPTX. Alright, so this presentation that you're seeing is completely made by this particular AI tool. And let me show you this one, and this. Okay, so these slides are beautifully generated with this particular AI tool. Just with one click, whether you can provide a title or with some detail about the presentation, it is going to go ahead and give you presentations like this. Very wonderful with all of this AI tool. So this particular presentation is on the future of AI in the Nigerian education system, and we can see it's generated today, and you can see what it has generated for me. And you can do that with the help of this particular AI tool called TeraBox. So you can see it in here. So what happens is I give it this simple prompt: create a modern 12 slide PowerPoint presentation on the future of AI in the Nigerian education system. Include these sections. Okay, I've been specific about the sections that it is going to include, and then it went ahead, look at the tasks that it has started: performing an online search, generating PowerPoint outline, and then it generates the PowerPoint presentation itself. So it took in these 3 steps and it specified the sizing and other details about the presentation. So now it is executing the task. And take a look at the sources that it has used, and then in each slide the internet search and so on. And then at the end of it all, it has generated the slides. You can see them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 12. Okay, so now this is the PowerPoint presentation, and this is the overall output result. So you can go ahead and view this, and with just that click you'll be able to now visualize the presentation that it has generated. You can see it very fantastically created. Now, one of the best part of this is that you can go ahead and edit the presentation. For example, you can use this edit menu, and you can go ahead and you can see, you can click and you have all of these editing features. You can bold, italize, underline, and even change coloration as you saw with the feature. So you can select any of the elements and you can change any of it directly. You can bring in different things. Okay, so you can do some basic edits as regards the content of the slides. Okay, very easily. And once you're done, you can click on save in here, and you have it saved successfully. And you can view it full screen if you want. You can click and just view it full screen. You can download in PPT or as PDF depending, or you can save it on the cloud as PPT or PDF, and you can share directly with people by just copying this link, and you can share with your friends as well. Very easy and nice. Now this is a tool that you can have access to by just coming to terabox.com. to bring you over here, you have a lot of features that you can do. You can do gen flow, you can understand all your requests directly, start typing in, and it's going to have like ChatGPT, because it's an all-in-one AI workspace. It does quite a lot of things. It does presentation, AI presentation. You can enter your presentation topic, or you can upload a file directly from here, and it's going to use that file as a guide to navigate and give you your presentation. Now you can define what type of presentation you want, the details, whether it is between 5 to 15 slides. You can see 10 to 15 slides. All of these are free, but if you want to use the premium one, you have to go with this. Okay, so with just one click you're going to have a presentation. Now you can do agent presentation, which is AI powered design and content, or you can do standard, which is quick slides with standard templates, or you can do beautified slides, which is what I'm going to show you next. You can upload your raw slides, and it is going to help you to beautify it and make it very catchy. So all you need is just to upload your slide in this format, PPT or PPTX, and with this limitation, and it's going to help you to do that. And then you can do AI writing as well. You can do deep research, you can do AI essay writer, you can check out smart paraphrase. In each case, you can give your questions, and you can do AI image generation as well, and video generation. Okay, depending, image and video generation. So you can try them if you're interested. So these are some sample generations that people have done. You can use this inspiration and be able to use this to design your own. Now, one of the key things I like about this is that you can beautify your slides. Okay, you can do presentation agent, or you can beautify your slide. So beautifying slides involves you to just upload the slide. Assuming I have this particular slide that I made, it is a raw slide. You can see the future of AI in Nigerian education system. It's a very raw slide with nothing. Okay, no serious graphics, no image, nothing is captured. So, and I want to beautify this, I can do that with this particular AI tool. All I need is just to upload it. So I'm going to come back here and then just go ahead and click on this, and then I'm going to upload it directly. Okay, so once you click on upload, and I can just go ahead and give the prompt. Okay, so I said beautify this and make it with light color, okay, but add different graphics where necessary. You can add any guide if you wanted to have a guide, for example, as regards the type of beautification you want. You can upload a template that used to guide you. But then once you said continue, it is going to help you with the beautification, and it's going to enhance your slide to make it much better. So let me show you one of these enhancements that I have done before this one finishes. Take a look. This is it. I uploaded the slide. I say beautify this presentation and add images and different graphics and graphs where necessary. And then it has taken this process. All right. It has taken this process, finalizing beautification, beautified slide, enhancing visual elements, and so on. And then it has given us this particular slide. Take a look. Very wonderful. It has captured so many graphics and see with so many bullet points and so on. Very well prepared. Just if I show you, this is the after, this was the before, this is the same slide, this plain slide that I have, and you can see how it has been beautified. So all you need is just to bring in the slide that you have created, and it will help you to maintain the same content, but it's just going to help you to beautify it. And again, you can edit any section of it as well. You can just click and have it edited if you're interested, and then once you're done, you can save and you can download this in any format, again, as we have talked about. So this is the beauty of this. One thing with this is with just one click you can get to where you want. The only thing I noticed is that you can have free access. Okay, the one we have requested has just been generated. Now it has used our suggestion of using light color, okay, but add different graphics where necessary. Light color, not like the other one. I asked it to add light color in this case, and take a look, it has added the light color, even though it is still generating, but you can see it has added the light color, and it is giving us some wonderful graphics that we can use. See, now it has some complete degeneration. You can see all of the slides, very detailed and very professionally created. So I think you can go ahead and explore this. It has so many other features like like I said, AI transcriber, smart paraphrase, AI essay writer, image generation also, and video generation. Explore it and the other features as well. You can see them. And the only thing that I noticed is that the free version, you can have only the free trials of AI and this, and then the premium version, you have these much features, and I think it is worth some time to go to premium. Take a look, very cheap, and with a monthly plan you can just have to pay $2 approximately. So it's really nice and it's wonderful. I suggest you give it a try, and if you find it helpful, you can just go ahead and subscribe. Take a look, free trial of AI, and this much cloud storage, original quality video playback, cloud decompression, and encrypted space. Okay, you can just go ahead and try this. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of TeraBox to create fantastic presentations. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.